Hey guys, welcome to Livingseeds Farm. One of the questions we get on a regular basis is what frames do we use for our tunnels? And a lot of people think that we use a plastic conduiting, electrical conduiting, something along those lines. What we actually use is steel pipe. This is a 32mm steel pipe. It's got a 2mm wall. What we've done is we've given it 2 coats of a general purpose undercoat, and we use an old trampoline frame as our jig to actually bend these frames correctly. And it's very simple. The trampoline frame is anchored in 3 places with these metal stakes. What we have is a piece of wire over here. This wire holds the metal tube in place. We have about 30, 35, 40 centimeters of overlap where we stick it out. And then if you have a look over here, we have these metal U-clamps, and it just allows us to keep the frame in place, and it lets 2 people actually do this job. Normally you'd have 3 or 4 people, and as they go around, each person just actually holds the pipe in place on the actual trampoline frame. So what we're going to do now is we are going to show you how we bend this metal pipe. Cool, so what Robert and Sanford are going to do now is they are going to bend this pipe around the frame. And it's a simple process. The pipe is hooked in a single place over here, and as it goes around this frame, the metal pipe actually just conforms to the shape of the trampoline frame. Go guys, down a bit. And as they go around, it gets tighter and tighter. And the very last bit gets bent as much as they can. And literally that's it. Once we release the pipe, you'll see that the metal pipe now has a perfect round shape, which is perfect for a tunnel. We space our tunnel pipes about 4 meters apart, so what we do is we actually bring it in to about 4 meters, and that little bit of extra tension gives it a nice round profile. Guys, thank you very much. It's as simple as that. We don't use any specialized technology to build our tunnels. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and there's a button right here to subscribe. You need to push that button. Guys, thank you very much. Have a great day.